naturally Curlysa. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is how we're starting off. So this is a continuation from my previous video where I blew my hair out, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link that in the description below. Before we get started, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. And yeah, so I'm gonna style this. I'm gonna try a Twaid Out. Have y'all heard of a Twaid Out? Twaid Out is when like you start with a braid and then you end with a twist. And the only thing I'm scared about is my roots being frizzy, but I picked them out anyway, so I think it'll be fine. The reason why I'm choosing a Twaid Out is because the last time that I blew my hair out, when I did my twist out, I don't know if you guys remember what my roots looked like. It looked like my hair done, don't it? It looking like my hair really done, but it's not. The roots look. Boom! No. Yeah, that. So, what I want to do is make sure that my roots are tip-top tight, and the only way I can think about doing that is I don't want to do a braid out, so I think a Twaid Out would be better. I'm going to be using Miche, the Miche Hydrating and Twisting Butter. I was looking back at my content on my Instagram and I realized that this twisting butter gave me the best twist out I've ever had. And that's cute. You're cute. So I'm going to take some of this twisting butter. Alright, so you start your Twaid Out with a braid. This is going to be a frizzy mess. Start with a braid, and I do a tight braid. And then we're going to end with a twist. Now, how do you make this a twist? I guess do like that. So we're going to make this really tight. I've never done this before, so bear with me. I've only seen other people do it. I don't know how this is gonna stay with my dry hair. I might have to get a perm rod. Is this gonna twist? I guess it's okay. All right, that's one. It looks like too much hair, but you know what? I don't care. Nope. I'm not fixing it. Just putting in some random twaids. That is the ugliest word I've ever heard of. A twaid. But yet here I am doing it, so. If y'all don't see it, I don't see it either. These are the juiciest twaids I've ever seen in my life. I hate that word so much. It's a twaid. Oh. Anywho. Alright, so I am all done with my twaids. That tickles my soul. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the back. These twaids are juicy. Juicy twaids. Alright, so this is the back of them. These are the juiciest twaids ever. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna leave these up actually for 2 days. So they'll be up all tomorrow, and then I'll take them down the day after that. So see y'all in the next clip to see how the Twaid Out turns out with the Twaids. But you don't get it. You don't get it. All right, so it's the day after, and it is time to take my hair down. I have been trying not to sweat my hair out, so I put it up in this little concoction. So I'm taking some of my oil from Tara Amore. It smells super good. Alright, so this is the Twaid Out. Love the definition. Let's take down this side and figure out how to get this in some type of order. Alright, so these are my Twaid Out. I don't really want to separate them anymore. So I think I'm just going to separate some of them for some volume. I don't want too much frizz. This side has a lot of frizz for some reason. I've learned that you cannot separate blown out hair as much as you would if your hair was wet, because it loses its definition really fast. Alright, so I'm just going to go through and take my pick, fluff my roots a bit. I think a Twaid Out was the best decision I've ever made as far as for my blowout, keeping my roots intact and not too fuzzy. All right, I'm gonna do a little edge magic. How's it look, guys? Let me know. Can you see it? So have y'all done a Twaid Out before? Did it come out like you expected? Did you do it on wet hair or dry hair? Which one did you do? What's going on with you? Okay, so I wasn't feeling the front, so I put this little ensemble in the front, and now I feel like Wonder Woman. But I guess it tames the front part of my hair, you know, so it doesn't just look like, you know. I don't know. Y'all probably saying it's okay. I got hand in hair syndrome right now because I feel like I see so many mistakes in there and I'm trying to fix them, but I just need to leave it alone. These are my final results. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, so let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you want to try it. I definitely love how this came out. I would love to see how this turns out on wet hair, but with the dry hair, a Twaid Out was the best option. My roots were very tamed. They were flattened. I love it. I wouldn't change anything about this, except for the fact that I put my hair up in a little bun, and I think me putting my hair in a bun made my twist be a little off. So other than that, it's amazeballs. That's it, y'all. That's all I got, people. I'll see y'all on the next video.